Hey everyone, Erica with Decay here. Today's video is going to be on the Decay all-nighter setting spray. I got this for free, which I'm like so excited about because this is something I would never ever get. Let's get into the actual video. Okay, so this is a first impressions video and I'm not very good at those. So I'm going to just show you guys unpacking it. What in the what is that? That threw me so much. So you're gonna shake it. I gave it a little spray so that the big droplets will just get out of the way, even though I still got some on my face. I just wanna make note in case you didn't catch my video on how not to have your mascara run under your eyes. Don't put on your mascara before your setting spray. Put it on after. I'm doing the voiceover after the fact. The day I sprayed this on my face, it literally stayed all day and I hung out with a 3-year-old and ran around and spun her around and we just, I hung out with adults too, but there was a 3-year-old there and it stayed all day and I still don't understand the double cap. Okay, so final notes is that it literally lasts for up to 16 hours or more. I did like the way it felt on my face and it's really good for like setting your makeup. And that's about it. You're supposed to shake it, spray it in your face, and that's it. It just keeps the makeup in place. So overall, I'm happy with it. I've only had it on for a few minutes, but I really like it. So that's that, and I'll catch you guys later. Bye.